Oil, a natural resource with the potential to change a nation's prospects. Uganda discovered reserves of 6.5 billion barrels in the western part of the country nearly 20 years ago. Commercial production is set to begin next year, and Uganda launched its first drill last year.
I wish on behalf of government to reiterate our commitment to developing the oil and gas sector in Uganda in an efficient and effective manner to the benefit of all Ugandans. And we hope that all this will be towards a total socio-economic transformation of our people.
While officials say the project will accelerate the country's economy, there are concerns over adverse effects. Uganda's oil project continues to face criticism from climate change activists over the threats to people, animals, and the environment. The global movement, too, away from fossil fuels could put into doubt the country's projections. Other African oil producers like Nigeria, which has some of the world's biggest proven oil reserves, face similar challenges. At last year's COP28 climate summit in Dubai, countries agreed to begin reducing global consumption of fossil fuels to deal with climate change.
We cannot save a burning planet via fire holes of fossil fuels. We must accelerate a just, equitable transition to renewables. The science is clear. The 1.5-degree limit is only possible if we ultimately stop burning all fossil fuels.
African heads of state have also shown commitment to the cause. At last September's Africa Climate Summit, leaders set declarations on strict environmental regulations and emissions reduction targets. Experts, too, are urging countries to completely move away from fossil fuels to clean energy systems.
It requires an action at a global level because of the fact that greenhouse gases don't know borders. And unless we take this action, scientists have already predicted that there's a 66% chance that we may actually already reach that 1.5 degree barrier that we have set ourselves that we can't cross already by 2027. So, the urgency is there.
Uganda has formally adopted the roadmap to scale up productive use of renewable energy. Yet the country also hopes to reduce emissions by 25% by 2030. Officials in Kampala say they want to strike a balance between both projects, developing oil extraction, but also working towards the green transition. Leon Sanyange, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.